Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how to switch and change the split keyboard. So when I auto rotate the phone, as you can see, we have a split keyboard, but you might prefer the single keyboard. So by default, the split keyboard is enabled. So you've probably been trying to figure out how to switch it back to the single keyboard, just like this keyboard here. So you've probably been trying to figure it out, but you can't figure it out. You've gone through the settings, but you don't know how to switch it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So just select the little keyboard here, and then select the little settings icon beside Samsung keyboard, and then scroll down to where it says mode. Select it, and then select standard keyboard. And now when you go back and you rotate the phone, as you can see, we now have the standard single keyboard. Or you can also go back into the settings and you can switch it to floating keyboard if that's the keyboard you prefer to use, instead of the split keyboard. So this is the floating keyboard. But I prefer the standard keyboard. So yeah, that's how you change the split keyboard to the standard single keyboard, guys. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload a video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.